everyone, this is Danny. I'm one of the marketing specialists over at Govee, and we're here to talk about some of the products that Govee has to offer. So the first one that we have over here, if you're familiar with our TV backlights, we have a lot of gamers who like to use it for like console gaming, but it's like, what about the PC gamers? So this is going to be our new gaming kit that has the gaming camera, the backlight, as well as light bars, and the camera is going to sync with all of the lights back here. It's really fun for those of you who like to play Apex, Fortnite, whatever kind of games you like to play. This is going to be a perfect product for the gamers. We also have a product coming up called our Galaxy Projector. TikTok users have been such a huge fan of Galaxy Projector, so we thought, hey, we have some TikTok influencers, why not give it a try over here? It's a little bright, but I'm sure like if it was a lot darker, you would see the effects a lot better. So both of these products will be coming out in about 2 to 3 months, I'd say. Yeah, I'm getting a nod, yes. And then our final product that is going to be coming out this year, if you're familiar with our light panels, the ones where you can customize your shape, colors, however you'd like. We have another new set of light panels that are coming out if you want to follow me this way. All right, and over here,
What do you have plans in the future?
we are going to have these brand new 3D light panels. They are going to be coming out around the summer. And very similar to our current light panels, you get individual panels, and you can customize them to any shape you'd like, change the colors, effects, brightness, however you'd like. We're all about customization here at Govee. And speaking of customization, if you're familiar with our TV backlights, we just released a TV backlights kit that comes with light bars. But you know, some people have asked us, hey, what if I already have the light bars or just the camera? What if I want to sync all of my lights together? Well, no worries, because we just released this new feature on our Govee Home app. It's called Highlight. So I'll give you an example of how you could use Highlight on the Govee Home app. So let's say you have this camera right here, and you want to sync to say the lively, the glide, and the light panels. You can do that easily with the Highlight feature. What's nice about Govee is that we're always listening to our consumers, our community, to make our products even bigger, better, and a lot more accessible. So thank you so much. This is Danny from Govee, and stay bright.